Get ready to step into the future of warfare. From drones that see through walls, to robots that storm dangerous zones, and autonomous loitering munitions that strike with surgical precision, these 15 military gadgets are almost too advanced to be real. We're talking next-level tech that keeps soldiers safe while giving them unbelievable battlefield power. Stick around, because some of these devices are so insane, they'll make you question if they're even legal. Let's dive into the ultimate arsenal of modern warfare. Teledyne FLIR Hornet Nano is one of the most advanced micro-reconnaissance drones ever deployed on modern battlefields. Built for frontline soldiers, this palm-sized UAV weighs only about 70 grams, yet delivers incredibly powerful real-time intelligence exactly when it matters. The Hornet Nano streams high-resolution video and thermal imagery directly to its operator, allowing troops to detect hidden threats, scout buildings, and analyze terrain, all without putting themselves in harm's way. It launches in seconds, operates with an ultra-low visual and acoustic signature, and remains extremely difficult to detect. Recent upgrades now extend its communication range to nearly 3 kilometers while improving battery life, flight time, and overall reliability. Compact, stealthy, and mission-ready, this nano drone showcases how extreme miniaturization is transforming modern battlefield awareness and giving soldiers a decisive tactical edge. Sky Hero Defense Sigyn Mark I is a compact military reconnaissance robot that looks almost unreal, yet is actively deployed in real-world tactical operations. This throwable, unmanned ground vehicle allows soldiers to gather intelligence without ever stepping into danger. Designed by Sky Hero in collaboration with Axon, the Sigyn Mark I excels in short-range indoor missions where GPS and cellular signals fail, such as inside buildings or underground spaces. Operators can toss it into hostile areas to stream real-time audio and video instantly. Equipped with front and rear wide-angle day and night cameras and multiple infrared LEDs, it delivers exceptional low-light visibility. Built with aviation-grade carbon fiber and reinforced polycarbonate, it's lightweight, impact-resistant, uses encrypted communication, and can integrate with larger tactical systems, boosting situational awareness while keeping operators safe in high-risk environments. INVISIO T30. The INVISIO T30 is a cutting-edge military communications headset engineered for extreme noise environments. It keeps soldiers connected and protected during high-intensity operations, combining advanced passive hearing protection with active noise reduction, offering up to 30 decibels SNR while preserving natural situational awareness. Its precision audio system allows accurate sound localization, letting users clearly detect radio commands, nearby movements, and environmental cues, even in chaotic battle conditions. Powered by a single double battery for up to 110 hours, or directly from compatible radios, the T30 supports multiple wearing configurations, including headband, neckband, and helmet mounting. Built with durable, water-resistant materials, it delivers reliable performance across missions, reducing equipment complexity, while enhancing tactical communication and soldier safety in every scenario. WILCOX Industries Flip Pivot Mount is a compact yet highly versatile military accessory that transforms how soldiers use weapon optics on the battlefield. Engineered with precision, it allows a thermal weapon sight or compatible day and night optic to attach in line with a mounted machine gun optic, creating a streamlined and efficient targeting setup. Its standout feature is the dual position mechanism, letting operators flip the optic up and rotate it 180 degrees into a rear-facing observation mode instantly. Built to fit standard 1,913 rails, it's rugged, lightweight, and combat-ready. By consolidating multiple optic rolls into one adaptable mount, the flip pivot enhances situational awareness, reduces equipment bulk, and enables rapid transitions between targeting and observation in fast-paced, dynamic missions. Teledyne FLIR SUGV is a military robot that almost seems too advanced to be real, yet it's purpose-built for frontline battlefield operations. This portable unmanned ground vehicle supports troops during high-risk missions, weighing just 20 pounds for easy transport and rapid deployment by a single soldier. Despite its compact size, it can climb stairs, cross rugged terrain, and reach speeds of nearly 7 miles per hour. Equipped with a modular sensor suite, it delivers high-definition video, thermal imaging, and a stitched 360-degree situational view, featuring 30 times optical zoom and two-way audio for remote threat assessment and communication. Its 5-degree of freedom manipulator arm allows precise handling, making the SUGV invaluable for reconnaissance, support, and hazardous inspections, ensuring speed, safety, and tactical advantage across modern military operations worldwide. Drone Gun Mark IV. The Drone Gun Mark IV is a handheld military gadget that almost seems illegal in capability. It stops drones without firing a single shot. Designed for soldiers, security teams, and critical infrastructure operators, it safely and efficiently neutralizes aerial threats. Weighing just 3.2 kilograms with its NATO standard battery, the pistol-shaped Mark IV jams radio frequencies across multiple bands, including ISM and GNSS, forcing hostile drones to land or return to their operator. Built with a rugged IP67 design, quick-release battery, and intuitive controls, it's ready for harsh environments, from military bases to public events. The latest version offers improved power efficiency and seamless integration with detection systems for full counter-drone operations. Lightweight, portable, and highly effective, the Drone Gun Mark IV combines tactical power with cutting-edge technology, giving operators near-instant control over dangerous drones and redefining airspace security. Revision Eyewear delivers advanced eye protection for military personnel and tactical operators, combining safety, durability, and crystal-clear vision in extreme environments. Exceeding U.S. Army and military ballistic standards, the high-impact polycarbonate lenses guard against debris, shrapnel, and environmental hazards. The range includes full-face goggles, like the Desert Locust for maximum coverage, as well as low-profile glasses, such as the Stinger and Slingshot, featuring anti-fog and UV coatings. Lightweight and ergonomically designed, they fit comfortably under helmets and communication headsets, ensuring full situational awareness. Trusted by forces worldwide, Revision Eyewear turns eye protection into critical tactical gear, blending superior optical clarity with robust defense. By combining innovative design with mission-ready functionality, it enhances safety, performance, and operational effectiveness for soldiers and security teams in high-risk operations. OPSCore Raylink. The OPSCore Raylink is a tactical system that almost feels illegal in capability, transforming a standard helmet into a fully integrated smart platform. Designed by OPSCore under Gentex Corporation, these rails provide both mechanical mounting and centralized power and data transmission for soldier-worn accessories compatible with fast, high-cut helmets. Night vision goggles, helmet lights, strobes, and other gear share power and communicate through built-in smart nodes, eliminating bulky batteries and tangled cables. Built to military standards, the rails are MILSTD 461 GEMI tested, MILSTD 810H impact rated, and IP67 dust and water resistant. Powered by the Battery Pack Plus, Raylink supports major night vision and situational awareness gear while keeping operators agile. By streamlining helmet-mounted tech, it delivers smarter integration, faster deployment, and improved battlefield efficiency. Extend Systems. Defense is redefining modern warfare with autonomous and AI-assisted unmanned systems that almost seem illegal in capability. Their platforms extend soldier reach into the most hazardous environments while keeping personnel out of harm's way. Extend Systems lineup, including the Extender Micro-Tactical ISR drone, Scorpio 500, Honey Badger, and Wolverine, operates seamlessly in GPS-denied, jammed, and electronically contested areas. At the core is the XOS operating system, letting a single operator control multiple drones with AI assistance, streamlining training and boosting mission effectiveness. Trusted by the US Department of Defense for AI-driven tactical drones and smart loitering munitions, X-10 Defense turns sci-fi concepts into reality, providing unprecedented situational awareness, reconnaissance, and force protection for military operations worldwide. General Robotics Limited Dogo Combat. Robot is one of the wildest military gadgets, almost illegal in capability, letting operators tackle dangerous situations from a safe distance. Weighing just 11 kilograms, it's hand-portable and can navigate stairs, obstacles, and tight spaces while streaming 360-degree real-time video from multiple integrated cameras. Using the Ranger remote control unit, operators can aim and engage targets with point-and-shoot precision. The robot can mount a compact pistol for lethal engagement, or switch to non-lethal modules like dazzling lights and pepper spray. Two-way audio allows teams to listen and communicate in hostage or urban operations. Built for urban warfare, close quarters battle, and anti-terror missions, the Dogo merges reconnaissance, remote engagement, and tactical communication into a single futuristic, mission-ready system, keeping personnel safe while giving operators unmatched situational awareness. Scout AI Nomad. The Scout AI Nomad is a groundbreaking unmanned ground vehicle that almost feels illegal in capability, merging advanced AI with autonomous robotics for high-risk defense missions. Designed as a smart, autonomous teammate, it reduces soldier exposure to dangerous environments. Powered by the Fury autonomy system, Nomad combines vision, language, and action reasoning into a single AI stack, allowing it to operate beyond line of sight, follow teammates, and support multiple reconnaissance or tactical payloads. Its lightweight, low-power, low-signature design is over 90% smaller than earlier systems, enabling stealthy day or night operations using passive RGB or thermal cameras. By extending soldier capability, enhancing situational awareness, and operating efficiently in contested areas, the Scout AI Nomad turns sci-fi concepts into practical, mission-ready battlefield robotics for modern armed forces. Vapor CLE helicopter is one of the most insane military gadgets, almost illegal in capability, bringing helicopter-style endurance and multi-mission versatility into a compact package. Designed by a Viron Aero environment, this all-electric Group 2 UAV weighs just 35 pounds, fits in a toolless packout case, and can be flight-ready in minutes. Its NVIDIA Orin onboard computer enables autonomous AI-assisted missions, real-time target recognition, and precision ISR, electronic warfare, and logistics operations. Secure encrypted links transmit data over 10 kilometers, while a modular architecture supports up to 26 payloads, including high-resolution sensors, communication relays, EW tools, and precision munitions. Combining advanced AI, rotorcraft design, and multi-role versatility, the Vapor CLE sets a new standard for compact battlefield VTOL drones, redefining what helicopter-style UAS can achieve in modern combat. Lubawa SAEO-D1 is a cutting-edge bomb disposal suit that almost feels illegal in capability, blending extreme blast protection with advanced smart systems. Designed by Polish manufacturer Lubawa SA, the suit safeguards explosive ordnance disposal technicians in the most hazardous environments. It shields operators from shrapnel, heat, and blast overpressure, while allowing greater mobility than traditional bomb suits. High-performance ballistic plates protect critical areas, and its ergonomic design ensures ease of movement under heavy armor. A ballistic helmet with an integrated camera, LED lighting, and advanced communication system streams real-time video, voice, and sensor data to support teams. Trusted for neutralizing IEDs, unexploded ordnance, and demolition charges, the EOD-1 exemplifies modern battlefield innovation, combining maximum protection, situational awareness, and operator safety in a single advanced system. Camerotech Limited. Xaver LR80 is a military gadget that almost seems illegal in capability, letting operators literally see through walls from over 100 meters away. Designed by Camerotech Limited, The LR-80 provides real-time situational awareness while keeping personnel out of danger. This portable ultra-wideband radar detects live objects, including stationary people, behind walls and barriers in both urban and rural environments. Unlike conventional systems, it doesn't require direct line of sight, and its narrow beam can be precisely aimed via an integrated sight. Operators control it through a rugged tablet, with data recording and playback for training or mission review. Lightweight and operable by a single user, the Xaver LR-80 is ideal for special forces, law enforcement, and search and rescue teams, extending sensors into inaccessible areas while keeping teams safe and giving them a massive tactical advantage. Switchblade 600. The Switchblade 600 is one of the most intense military gadgets, almost illegal in capability, combining reconnaissance, precision strike, and autonomous flight in a single portable system. Designed for infantry, vehicle, and fixed position deployment, it's tube-launched and man-portable, weighing 50 to 54 kilograms, including launcher and fire control. Equipped with a dual EO/IR gimbaled sensor suite and a multi-purpose anti-armor warhead, it can loiter over target areas, detect static or moving threats like light armored vehicles, and strike with precision. Operators control it via a touch-screen tablet with manual or autonomous modes, including wave-off capability to reduce collateral damage. Selected for US DoD programs such as Replica, the Switchblade 600 showcases how autonomous loitering munitions are redefining modern combat, providing a compact, lethal, and versatile tactical force multiplier on the battlefield.